Hello, good day everyone. I'm Joshua Dihito and I will going to explain my chosen global city, which is Tokyo, Japan. Tokyo, the capital of the Japan, is one of the most influential and dynamic cities in the world. As a leading global city, Tokyo exemplifies a perfect blend of tradition and innovation, making it a significant hub in the global economic, culture, and technology. Tokyo is a sprawling metropolis that combines ultra-modern skyscrapers with historic temples and shrines. It is known for its vibrant neighborhoods such as Shibuya, Shinjuku, and Ginza, each offering a unique cultural experience. The city boasts efficient transportation system, advanced technological infrastructure, and a high standard of living. Tokyo is also renowned for its safety, cleanliness, and hospitality. Economic powerhouse, Tokyo is home to the Tokyo Stock Exchange, numerous multinational corporations and financial institutions, making it leading global financial center. Cultural hub, the city hosts world-class museums, theaters, and festivals, showcasing traditional Japanese arts and contemporary pop culture. Technological innovation, Tokyo leads in robotics, electronics, and smart technology, contributing to advancements in various industries. Transportation, the city extensive subway, the rail network facilitate efficient movement, while its Haneda and Narita airports connect Tokyo to the world. Economic influence, with a vast concentration of corporate headquarters, financial markets, and international business activities, Tokyo significantly impacts global markets, cultural diversity, and influence. The city attracts tourists and professionals worldwide, fostering a multicultural environment, advanced infrastructure, cutting-edge technology, transportation, and communication system position Tokyo as a model for urban development, global connectivity as a major transportation hub in Asia. Tokyo plays a crucial role in international trade and diplomacy.